大家好，欢迎你们到人 Chinese Niger. Hello everyone, welcome you back to 人 Chinese Niger. 我爱学那个是大学工学院的刘老师 I'm teaching the 老师 from Confucius Institute, University of Lagos. Today we're already in our sentence challenge 136. Okay, and it goes like this. 我需要她，我需要她，我需要她 which means I need her. 137. 你没事吧？你没事吧？你没事吧 which means are you okay? No problem, right? 138. 我想自己待会儿，我想自己待会儿，我想自己待会儿 which means I want to be left alone. Please leave me alone. I want to stay alone. 139. 你别再吸烟了，你别再吸烟了，你别再吸烟了 which means don't smoke anymore or stop smoking, don't smoke anymore. Then 140. 这样对身体不好。这样对身体不好，这样对身体不好，这样对身体不好 which means it's not good for your health. Okay, so this is where we're going to stop today. Don't forget to check our previous videos. And we are in 900 Chinese sentence challenge. And we drop video every Mondays and Fridays. Sorry for the previous week that we weren't able to drop. But make sure you watch our previous videos so that you're able to follow up. Okay, see you next time. 再见.